And it bursts. It does burst. It smashes open and it bursts. But the flow of water sends you backwards, and it slams you against the side. So you're back, it like slams there. In front of you, around I want to say 6 blocks down, it's bursted open, but now water's just flowing concurrently out of it.
Perfect.
Right.
Just
the water that goes south is flowing less, east is more, west is medium. But it's still flowing heavily, but it looks like the majority of the water that came at you was from the south. Like, you slammed the outside door.
yeah, it's good. It's good to take a bath.
Yes. Bird bath. Yeah, basically you had a bird bath.
Bird bath.